In this video, I will share with you how to log in KBC Brussels or Belgium online banking. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for KBC Group Online Belgium. This is the keyword, click the first result. After that, you will see this page. Just go to sign in option. From the sign in, choose KBC Dutch or dashboard. You have two options here. Choose this one, for example, and then choose this dish or this one, choose English language from here. After that, high contrast, click high and then click next. After that, you can use items up or KBC card. You can use the card to log in. Just follow these simple steps, enter your card details and then enter your login ID. After that, press your login. You can use manually option. Just choose this card and then write your PIN. You can scan the barcode from here and then you can enter your details. You can use the dashboard, as I say, English from here. So as I say, you can log in optical, this one for optical, write your PIN, then write your codes, insert your bank card reader from here. And then you can use disable security from here. You have a lot of the option to log in. You can use a key device and then you can log in with your ID and click next. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this